So I'm here watching myself in VR, on VR, about VR, in VR, and I'm hoping you can walk me through exactly what the gear is that's being used here right now, and what is happening.
Well, it's called the Future, and that's an old camera system that we built. So it was our first attempt, and it actually did the job. And that's when we decided, okay, let's get this camera broadcast ready and for the masses. Live Planet solves three of the hardest problems that we face in an immersive storytelling or delivery, and that's the flawless capture, the computing with the cloud, and then delivery. Often people solve one of the three problems, but now we've solved those three, and with those three, you're going to create a new industry with that. You can stream live 360. That's great if you only have one eyeball, because that's how you'd be viewing the world. We have two eyeballs, we see in two different spheres. So we're able to live stream two spheres with this camera system. Plus it just makes everything easy. Takes the technology out and lets creatives be creative.
Tell me a little bit about what exactly is happening right now. How is this working? What sort of magic is going on?
Well, yeah, that's secret magic sauce. But right now this is 16 cameras. And what it's doing is it's stitching all of those together and creating a 4K bubble for your left eye and a 4K bubble for your right eye. A lot of cameras will do eight cameras for one eye, 8 cameras for the other. We use all 16 and we do a blended stitch to be able to get you how you use your eyes normally, 2 bubbles. We've got one camera right in front of here. What's probably not seen or possibly could be seen is there's another camera system over in the other room. Effectively what you've been doing is just tapping in between these two worlds.
Right now, I'm just like spinning myself around this room in VR and kind of giving myself...
In this room or the other room? Are you in the other room?
I just popped in the other room, but I'm gonna go back to this room. I can see our crew, but I'm gonna go back to this room, and I am giving myself an intense case of the spins. Because I'm scanning around the room. Now I'm in the other room, but let me pop back. I'm scanning around the room in VR.
You have this connectivity and then you have this wireless option. So it's really capturing all aspects of live. You have the option of going straight from the camera or going through the cloud, but it's really the cloud that packs the punch. You have the ability to upload whatever you want after you've done post or color grading and still use the cloud as a distribution system. To be able to stream from anywhere, that's gonna help the first responders. Let's say there's a natural disaster, an earthquake, a volcano, whatever it be. Sometimes that infrastructure isn't there to just plug into a Wi-Fi network, so you'll have to get that content out immediately. So it's geared for particularly that kind of a live stream. A lot of the pay-per-view things, something like boxing, you're not going to mess with their $49 or $59 subscription fee, but you can add a perspective of the locker room, or watching the boxer get taped up before the match, or going in with the entourage. You could add one for $7, add another one for $5. You could even sit beside Sylvester Stallone in stereoscopic for another maybe $35 if you wanted to. We're basically coming in, we're the WordPress of VR. We're making it really, really simple for you to share that content out with the world. And obviously these prices will go down as the technology continues to grow. So just like it costs $100,000 for a website, now it costs $15. This costs $10,000. It's not gonna cost 15, but you see my point. It will obviously reduce over time.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you so much for taking us into Halsey's home and demoing this product with us. And we'll look forward to seeing it on shelves at some point very soon.
Well, hopefully it'll be on tripods, live streaming, yeah.
Cheers, there we go. Cheers. Thanks so much.